What's up guys, today it's another unboxing video and today we have the Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarer. So this is the Ray-Ban Meta glasses. This is the Gen 1 glasses. I just got my hands on them. I'm just going to be doing an unboxing video for you guys to show you how the glasses looks. And you know, if you don't know about the glasses, I'm going to be showing you guys, telling you guys the things the glasses can do and how it can help you in your day-to-day activities. So this is the Gen 1 Wayfarer. You know, just take a look at it at the case. It's made for iPhone. You can also use it on your Android as well. So let's go into unboxing, okay? Yeah, so guys, welcome back. So let's start unboxing the Ray-Ban Meta glasses. So I got this in this is the matte black. It has the details of the frame over here. You can see the details of the frame, and it says Wayfarer over here and Ray-Ban Meta, and it also says made for iPhone behind here. So this can work on your Android as well, but it's made specifically for iPhone. There's an app you connect to it, and yeah, so let's unbox, okay? So we have to like peel this out. So so excited for this. Let's go. Oops, that is gone. So after that we have to open. So it says listen, call, live stream. Nice. So which means you can use it to listen, you can use it to call, and you can use it to live stream. So the case is like guys, when you get here, you have to do is just open this right here, and it says the Ray-Ban Meta. It says scan to get started. So that's what you scan with your phone to get the application on your phone, and says listen, call, live stream. And this is the case. It comes in this case. This is the Ray-Ban case. It's a button right here. The case is really, really sleek. Honestly, I love how the case looks. Like, it looks really sleek. Like, it comes in this leather brown, which looks so nice, and you can charge it here with the Type-C cord right there. And yeah, that's just everything in the case. So let's go into opening this case. So guys, I just like how the case really looks, so I'm going to be opening the case. So when you open it, it says a green, it turns on a green light right there. You can have that, and I think it means it's charged or something like that. So let's take the glasses out. Man, it's so shaky. Oh my god. So I got it in the matte black. So there's a matte black, and it has a transition. Oh, I don't think it's a transition lens. So it's a size 50. Oh my god, guys, take a look at this. Oh my god, you can see the two cameras. 1, 2. Damn. Let's put it on. Oh my god. It looks so sleek, like looks so nice, honestly. Damn, it fits so good, honestly. Like, come on. Hey man, take a picture. Hey man. I've not connected it to my phone yet, so it's not gonna work yet. I've not connected it to my phone, so nothing is gonna work. So I'm gonna be connecting it. I'm gonna be letting you guys know how it sounds, everything, the features. So today is just an unboxing video of the glasses. You can see the two cameras right there. You can see everything. Let me show you guys how the glasses look really, really good. Yeah, so guys, that's everything about the glasses, about the unboxing video. So let me know in the comment section if you want to see how I connect it to my phone, if you want to see the features I've tried out, you know, taking pictures, if you want to see the POV shots, everything. Drop a thought in the comment section and I'll make sure I post a video about that. I'm going to connect it to my phone, see how everything works out, and I'm going to record the video as well, but I'll let you guys know everything, okay? So if you stay to the end of this video, make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment, and I'll see you in the next video. The Ray-Ban glasses are really, really nice, and I think I'm going to love using them. So have a good one and peace out. Bye.